Will AI replace QA engineers? AI can write code, it can generate test cases, it can even fix broken automation scripts. So, are QA jobs in danger? Let's talk about this honestly. Hey everyone, welcome back to QA and Dev Tips. And today I want to discuss about what AI really means for testers. Not hype, not fear, just reality. Right now, AI tools are becoming very powerful. They can create test cases from simple requirements. They can run regression tests much faster than humans. Some tools can even update locators automatically when the UI changes. That sounds impressive. And yes, companies are already using AI to reduce repetitive testing work. But here's where people get confused. AI is very good at repetition and patterns. It can analyze data quickly and it can even execute thousands of test steps without getting tired like unlike humans. But AI does not understand the business context the way a human does. It does not question unclear requirements. It does not think like a real customer who uses the product in unexpected ways. And that difference is important. Testing is not only about executing steps, it is about thinking, it is about risk, it is about asking questions like what could go wrong here. AI can help generate ideas, but it does not truly understand impact or business value. So, will AI replace QA engineers completely? No. But will it change the QA role? Yes, absolutely. The future QA engineer will spend less time doing repetitive, routine manual testing. Instead, testers will focus more on automation, API testing, CI/CD integration, and reviewing AI generated tests. We will guide the tools instead of competing with them. If someone only does basic manual regression testing, that part of the job may shrink over time. That's realistic. But if you learn automation fundamentals, understand backend validation, and get comfortable with modern DevOps workflows, you actually become more valuable. Think about calculators. When they became common, math teachers did not disappear. They stopped doing long manual calculations and focused on more on concepts. AI in testing is similar. It removes the boring repetitive work, but it increases the need for smarter testers who understand systems deeply. The real question is not will AI replace me? The real question is am I upgrading my skills? Companies are not removing QA completely. They are hiring testers who understand automation, strategy, risk analysis, and continuous delivery. The testers who adapt will grow. Some may even move into strong leadership roles because they understand both quality and technology evolution. The testers who ignore change may struggle. So, my advice is simple: don't fear AI. AI. Learn how it works and play with it. Use it to improve your productivity. The future of QA is not about replacement, it's about evolution. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think that AI is a threat or an opportunity for QA engineers? Comment down below and let's discuss. And if you want more practical QA career guidance, subscribe to our QA and Dev Tips. We are learning and growing step by step. I will see you in the next video.